Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Our most popular protein at home is chicken. I have so many different amazing recipes, and sometimes it's hard to pick which delicious one to make, and that includes this one pot dish. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of arroz con pollo. This tasty Puerto Rican recipe is incredible. It's a great comfort food you just have to make soon. So let's get cooking. We'll start by making the dry rub. In a small bowl, we'll add ground cumin, dried thyme leaves, and the same with dried oregano leaves. Some smoked paprika, then ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Some garlic powder, as well as onion powder, followed by chili powder and cayenne pepper. We'll give a little whisk, making sure everything is nicely blended, and set aside for now. Next, in a mixing bowl, we'll add our boneless, skinless chicken thighs and drizzle on about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil, enough to coat the chicken. And yes, we'll use our clean hand for that. Now, we'll add our spice mixture a little at a time and toss so the poultry is nicely covered with it before adding a little bit more. That way, it will help to cover the thighs evenly. When the spice mixture is all used up, we'll place the lid on and transfer to the fridge for a good 60 minutes while we do our mise en place. An hour later, we're ready to cook. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil. And when it's hot, we'll add the chicken thighs. If your skillet is smaller, don't overcrowd it and work in batches, okay? We'll cook them until nicely browned, just like this one, before flipping them. It should take about 6 to 8 minutes to cook both sides. When they're done, we'll transfer them to a plate and set aside. Now, we'll reduce the heat to medium and add onions, red peppers, as well as jalapeno peppers. We'll saute them for 3 minutes, and if there are some brown bits, scrape the bottom to dislodge them. We'll add pressed garlic and saute it for only 1 minute. Next, we'll add tomato paste and stir to coat. I have a great trick on how to salvage your leftovers, so click on the top right corner of your screen to find out. To this, we'll add raw sugar, ground cumin, then dried oregano leaves, some ground turmeric, and ground sea salt, as well as freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir until the spices are well mixed before adding basmati rice that has been rinsed and drained, and we'll stir constantly until fragrant and has absorbed all the fat from the skillet, about 2 minutes. We'll now add the chicken broth, stir again, increase the heat, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add the peas, mix them in with the other ingredients before returning the chicken thighs back to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. Come on, this is flavor, and we won't leave it behind. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. We'll sprinkle on some chopped cilantro and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our arroz con pollo. This one-pot dish is colorful and so tasty. With a delightful combination of ingredients, this Puerto Rican recipe is a great meal to make anytime. This is one of our favorites, and I'm positive it will become yours as well. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!